Hello Leute, today we're going to look at how we express what we enjoy doing, what we don't enjoy doing. So in English we just say I like doing that, I don't like doing that, or I really like doing that, or I really don't like doing that, or something along those lines. Okay? In German, when we talk about what we enjoy, we use gern. We say nicht gern if we do not enjoy something. We might really enjoy or really not enjoy doing something, in which case we might use the following. So we might say sehr gern, or total gern, or besonders gern, or wirklich gern. If you don't like doing something, you might say nicht gern, gar nicht gern, nicht besonders gern, überhaupt nicht gern. So have a look at these people describing what they enjoy and not enjoy doing. What I want you to do first of all is highlight the verbs. So what do these people think of various ways of spending free time? After you have underlined the verbs, you can do the activity with a tick or a double tick. Okay? Or cross and double cross. So for some reason, here we go. Okay, so this guy's saying, ich treibe sehr viel Sport. Ich nähe gar nicht gern. Ich segle sehr gern. Mein Boot heißt Hansekogge. Ich backe total gern. Mein Lieblingskuchen ist Apfelkuchen mit Streusel. Ich spiele total gern Schach, denn ich gewinne immer. Hey! Ich gehe nicht besonders gern einkaufen. Ich finde Einkaufen blöd. Ich fahre nicht besonders gern Rad, aber ich laufe sehr gern. Ich schwimme gern und angle besonders gern. Ich sehe nicht gern fern, ich lese viel lieber einen spannenden Roman. Ich höre sehr gern Musik. Am liebsten höre ich Jazz und klassische Musik. Ich tanze sehr gern. Mein Tanzpartner ist fantastisch. Ich gehe gern ins Kino. Ich mag Actionfilme besonders gern. Okay, so there's a few people talking about what they enjoy and what they don't enjoy. Okay. Now here where it says am liebsten höre ich Jazz und klassische Musik, here am liebsten means most of all I enjoy, or best of all I enjoy listening to. Right? Now if we go up here, ich sehe nicht gern fern, ich lese viel lieber. Okay, so this just means I much prefer to read an exciting novel. Okay, but we'll go into saying those sorts of things at a later date. So I've got a question there for you. Where does the gern or nicht gern go in the sentence? So if you look here, ich höre sehr gern Musik. Ich tanze sehr gern. Ich gehe gern ins Kino. Now, the way I've said those things is a clue for you. What I want you to do now is write 3 things that you enjoy doing and 3 do you not like doing. So you can go from, I enjoy doing this, to I really enjoy, and the same with not like. I don't like this, I really hate this. Or you could use hate, hasse. Okay. Drop me a line if you've got any queries.